Here's a quick guide to help you close all open tabs in Google Chrome on your Android device using a simple step-by-step method in just a few tabs. To begin, open the Google Chrome page. When the browser is launched, take a look at the top right area of the screen. You will see the tab switcher icon, which looks like a small square with a number inside it. This number shows how many tabs are currently open in your browser. Tap on this icon to view all your open tabs in one place. You will now see a grid or list of every web page you have opened. From here, your next step is to locate the three-dot menu, More Options, in the top right corner of the tab screen. Tap on it, and a small menu will appear with different tab management options. Select Close All Tabs from the list. Chrome may ask you to confirm your action just to make sure you don't close anything important by accident. Simply tap Close All Tabs again, and within a second, all your open tabs will be removed. Your browser will now look clean, fresh, and organized. Now your Chrome is refreshed and clutter-free, making browsing smoother, faster, and much easier whenever you start using it again.